Do you know how to quickly propagate lemon trees by air layering using effective materials? In this video, you will learn new technique. Let's get started. First, take a banana stem. Cut into small pieces. Then you need to select healthy, mature lemon branch. Using a sharp knife, remove 1 to 2 inches of bark. Then take 250 milliliters plastic glass. Cut one side of the plastic glass. Set it on the branch. Fill the glass completely with banana stem. Banana stem has a high water holding capacity. After 1 month, look friends, how beautiful the roots have grown. Once the roots well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now I will plant this tree in a pot. Then water the new plant thoroughly.